Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So your friend Kumar is back with a review of another college in Karnataka, which is a university BDT College of Engineering. So it's called UBDT, and this is a university engineering college, and it is located at Davangere. So it is part of basically the KCET admission process, and it is a decent college with respect to the placement and the infrastructure. And so I'm going to review this college for you today, so that students from Davangere or the other places also can come. So this college is basically a very old engineering college. It started in 1951, right? So it's called a BDT College of Engineering, and after that in 1992 it was part of university. So from there onwards its name is University BDT College of Engineering. And now this UBDT is affiliated with Visvesvaraya Technology University, right, VTU, which is based out of Belgaum. So this is a quite decent college with respect to placement and all. So let's see, so this was what I said, established in 1951, and it has UG branches 7 and PG branches 10. So I'll concentrate towards the UG branches engineering only. And this is how the administrative block of the college looks like. And from the in terms of infrastructure, it has a decent infrastructure. It is well equipped with the laboratories for different programming languages, which is now more into terms of computers and the electronic specialization. And it has also MCA lab. So it has a decent facilities. Apart from that, the academic thing, they have infrastructure for sports, which is for football, hockey, basketball, tennis courts and others, right, apart from the regular study related. So I thought I will cover that, and before then I will go to for the programs and hostel and other things. So program wise, it has the same number of branches. You see here computer science, electronics, EEE, mechanical, civil, industrial, and also they have MBA and MCA program. So from engineering side, what they don't have is the ISC, information science, or the AIML branch, but but the other branches they have. And now in terms of their intake, right, so this is a university program, so the intake is quite low. So that is good for students because the maximum number of students gets placed. And I said this is around 350 students which are there. So out of 350, 250 students are getting placed here. So that way it is good. So the lesser the number of students are there, and it is better for the students, right? So competition is less. And as I said, this is through KCET process, so governed by KEA. And so currently this is ongoing. So right, first round of allotment is already done, and this also has a quota for general merit SC/ST as the other engineering colleges in Karnataka would have, right? So only thing is that this college is not taking any admissions through COMEDK, and there is nothing from COMEDK because this is a university college and it's only through KCET. So that is important to note. And as I said, KCET is the only mode of admission, but apart from that, student from diploma can join through lateral entry also into this college. Now coming to the admission KCET cutoff, so you can see the lower side on the CSC, right? So CSC starts with 13,816 in general merit, and it goes up to 27,000. So ranking is under 27,200. You can after all rounds you can get the CSC. Similarly, ECE you can get into this college up to 76,000. So this is quite good. 21,000 ECE will start and up to 76,000. So in 76 also you are getting ECE, and other branches you can see by yourself, right? Now coming to the placement, while you are here, the most placements are quite good. Out of 350 to 400 students, 250 students gets placed, so that is quite good. And that's a picture of that. And the which company which pays the highest salary is BEL, which is Bharat Electronics. So 10.35 lakh students, 5 students got, and all those students are electronics EC students. So EC in this college is very good, and you are getting up to 76,000 rank. So please grab it. Government companies are coming and giving the offer here, and the other companies who are visiting this campus are using BEL, Infosys, Wipro, Global Edge, SKL, SLK, NTT, all are very well known name. Engineering side, Bosch is very popular, right? And Tech TEK Systems is also India. Oracle is a popular country. First American India, again the multinational company. Gokuldas expert in manufacturing. Hinduja Global in BPO Center. Shriram Transport Finance, insurance business. So that way, good number of companies. And these are few. Those are the first list. This is second list. More of a mid-sized companies. Mudud Group. You can university here, but these are more like a smaller companies, like a Federal Bank, you can see Eureka, Forbes, you can see Chola Insurance Foreign. So it's a mix of 35-60 companies, but 250 plus students gets placed. And now coming to the hostels, boys hostel is there, 350 is the capacity, and the charges are 4,200 rupees only, and mess charge will be 4,700 to 800 rupees. So this is quite economical college with respect to the admission charges as well as the mess charges, 700 to 800. Now this is the girls. It is a similar thing. Girls is still lower, 3,500 is the hostel charges for first admission, and after that you have to pay the 700 rupees per month for the mess charges. So this is a new girls hostel which is based out of rented building into the college. So this is called good. And apart from the boys and girls hostel, there is also a lot of a good amount of activities, events happen. So this is one of those pictures. So you can basically are from this area and looking for good placement, and you can opt for this college. So I think hope you like this details which I have given with respect to placement, and it was not available anywhere in the internet before this, and this will be definitely helpful to students from Davangere or other nearby places who are looking into this college, right? So please do like this video and also subscribe the channel. You will get all the information from VTU, from colleges, as well as an examination authority on this. Thank you, take care, and have a great day.